Hello friends, in the learning series of Java, we are seeing lecture 2, working of Java compiler. Whenever we save any Java program, we save it with the extension .java. Now, in this example, I'm going to show you I've saved a file with an extension .java. When we will compile this file sahib.java, it will be converted into sahib.class file, which we call it by name bytecode. In C and C++, compiler is independent. We use different compiler for Windows, Linux, etc. But in Java, there is only one compiler. And if we use compiler in C++, it translates the program into operating system understandable language. But Java compiler compiles the Java code into class file, which we call it as bytecode, and this bytecode cannot be understood by operating system. Now, java.class file is not understandable by operating system. So how to run Java program? So file is saved with extension .class. So to run this file, we use Java Virtual Machine, which we call JVM, a software which we will install in our machine through which we can run Java programs. Inside of JVM, there is a software named Just-in-Time Compiler, which acts like interpreter. There is a difference between interpreter and compiler. Compiler is a software which converts source code into machine understandable language and store it as a different file so that it can be converted into an executable file, whereas interpreter reads a single line and translates it into machine understandable language and executes the program. In JVM, when OS is busy executing the line, interpreter sits idle by that time, so that makes the execution process slow. So a new software was developed which acts as an interpreter as well as compiler. Just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler reads first line, translates it, and hands it over to the operating system. In the meantime, while the operating system is executing the code, just-in-time compiler will read another line and translate it in, and process goes on. And it helped in improving the execution speed. So just-in-time compiler acts as a compiler as well as interpreter because it is not saving the file permanently, it is reading a single line on the spot and executing it. So just-in-time compiler is a part of JVM, and because of this Java software will be able to run on your computer. Java code can be run on different operating systems, whether it is Windows, Mac, Linux, if JVM is installed. JVM is operating system independent and it is not platform independent. Here I am talking about JVM and not Java. Different operating systems have different JVM, but because of JVM, single byte code is runnable on any machine. So one of the key features of Java is that it is platform independent. If you liked my video, do like and subscribe for more videos.